Welcome to the Eastern Cape. We are delighted to have you here for the Passover season. We want you to enjoy our rolling hills, our vibrant conferences, and of course our legendary meat. But take heed, we have a no uninvited guest policy that includes foot and mouth disease. Before you unpack, if you brought any livestock with you for the festivities, we hope you have their VIP pass. If they are limping or have blisters, they are not just tired from the trip, they are a danger. While you're here, enjoy the feast, but keep it local. Sourcing your slaughter animals from our local farmers keeps our economy and our cows smiling. Before you wave goodbye, we want you to take home blessed memories and leftover stew, not the virus that can shut down a whole province. Do check your boots, trailers, and permits. Let's keep the Easter or Passover spirit high and FMD count at 0. Safe travels and happy Passover from your friends at the Department of Agriculture. For more information, do call us on 0800 203025.